there cannot be question about the self. So when we encourage questions, like many people have got this thing, I was in Miami. There is one Swamiji in Miami. So we went to see him. He is there for last 40 years, 30, 40 years. And my friend with whom I stay, he knows I don't entertain questions. He tried one or two and he got frustrated. Finally, he sent me an email with 50 questions. So, when we went there, he said, then that Swamiji elderly one, and he said, yes, any questions you have? He looked at me. I looked at him. And you sort of. He said, our Swamiji doesn't entertain any questions, so we don't know what to do. He said, no, questions should be asked. If no questions are asked, then what for we are here? And what is the question answer? Question answer is the itch on the mind of both the student and the teacher. Both of them itch. Should go. No, Swamiji has come. You don't ask question, how it will be like, let us ask him. And this is what the parents do through their children. One mother told her child, see, you ask any question to Swamiji, you are asking to me, I don't know. So the child is a child. When I went, Swamiji, mummy tells you know everything. So, may I ask you a question? I said, okay, ask. What is a beauty parlor? No, he is right. The mummy told Swami knows everything. And when then mother heard that, she got so angry. Don't ask silly questions. He said, Mummy, there is nothing like silly questions. Questions are questions. You only told me. Ask anything, so you know everything. So I was testing you. The questions are only about the not self. And once this becomes the foundation of your thinking process, then you will see you will remain all the time in the present effortlessly. And the more you remain in the present effortlessly, more spontaneous you are. You are not preparing anything. See? Whenever you prepare, unless you vomit the whole stuff, you don't feel satisfied. In BITS Pilani, where I was going, there used to be one Vice Chancellor is no more now. He used to come for my talks in the class. And once I went to his house for dinner. He said, Swamiji, can you tell me this technique what you have? What is the technique, sir? He said, you start your lecture at dot time and conclude, and there are no loose ends left behind. The lecture is complete in itself. I am in this teaching profession for last 30-40 years. Yet I always feel I should have 10 minutes more, then I can complete. What is the technique? How you do it? You start and end without any books or anything with you. How do you do it? I said, I'll tell you, sir, one thing sincerely. I also don't know. That is the truth. He said, no, but you must be knowing something. How is it possible? I said, maybe this way that when you prepare your lecture, then unless you vomit it completely, you don't feel how you have completed your job. If you go with an open mind and don't have any obsession about completing something, like this Sringeri Pit Acharya, he has written commentary on Vivek Chudamani in Sanskrit. And I think up to 400 verses or so he has written. After that he stopped. Then there are always wise people around the Mahatmas. He said, Maharaj, you are not completed it, please do the remaining so we can bring in 2 volumes. He said, if somebody reads that sincerely, second volume is not. There is no obsession about anything. When that obsession disappears, you are in abiding in that. Most of us get obsessed. Duragraha, what we call. The Duragraha is detrimental. It should be given. You move among the rich people, there are happy, unhappy people. Move among the poor people, there are happy, unhappy. Move in India, people are both happy and happy. Move in USA, people are both miserable. So more than where we are, what is important is what we are. That is important. And one of the reasons of our misery is questions. Mind is constantly talking, nothing but questions. Why should I will. How does it matter? It makes no difference if you don't know anything. But they say Yoga Vasishtha Maharamayana was written before Ramayana or after Ramayana. And who has written it? Valmiki has written or Rama himself wrote it? This academic interest, if you have, you are lost. Academic interest is good for those who want to have a degree. So they have to fulfill all those requirements. So we are not interested in academic interest. Stay away. Enjoy the mango juice and forget about the garden. But where it was manufactured? That is all. How many of you can read Hindi and also understand? Because this Shiva Sutra, we are written in Hindi also. Shiva Sutra Sadhana. So those who are not at home with English, they can read that. Next year there is a Kumbh Mela in Ujjain.
Yes.
Next year. I think in the month of April.
It happens at that time only, April, May or something.
Mahakaleshwar. Ujjain.
Mahakaleshwar.
Mahakaleshwar.
Ujjainiya, Mahakala, Omkara, Amaleshwar.
Swamiji is going there.
Next year I am planning to go.
Like last time.
This time when I went there, so there was a very good ashram there. On Ram Ghat, that is a tea ghat there. So I stayed there for the night. So they said, "Will you please come next year? We will make all arrangement for your stay and everything." And he has seen I don't come alone, they will be few governors, he said, "No, that's better."
What feels already? सामने बोल रहा हूँ. Swamiji will change the ashram.
Sometime in the month of April, I think. And next year I may not come to Australia. He said,
वीजा तो नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. So April time is the time for Australia.
आगे मार्च हो जाएगा.
जून जुलाई हो जाएगा. मई जून.
Next year I will not go to this Indonesia, China,
Indonesia.
Singapore. This year I will be going this year I think. I will be going to Japan. They have got very good institution.
First time.
First time. Last time I went into the consulate of the Japan in one place. They said you come apply and see that you get it. And the next day only there was that big tsunami and earthquake and everything. So my arrival made this problem. Bhutan. Who wants to come to Bhutan?
August.
60,000 per head.
That includes transportation, food, accommodation, flight.
Awesome.
Delhi se flight. As a group. But in Delhi you have to come.
I spoke to Bharat Bhai.
और पोखरा का देख लेके वो नहीं होगा.
यदि यहाँ नहीं जाएंगे तो पोखरा नहीं.
कंफर्म नहीं किया.
अभी we have got only less number of persons.
If it fills up, then it is worth it. Otherwise,
Bharat Bhai, make my trip come.